What's up, guys? Another quick video. So today we got in our PLM 3-point strut bar. This is for EG DC2 EK. So now we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what we have. Moment of truth. Got a packaging. We got a PLM sticker. Yeah, put that to the side. Some more packaging. So we got right here is our 3-point strut bar for our nugget. It's pretty lightweight. Welds look pretty good. You know, nothing too fancy, just something that's gonna help us when we're at the track or at the canyons. So now we're gonna go ahead, pop the hood, and show you what I currently have. So we have here, it's an old eBay strut bar that I bought a long time ago. So we're gonna go ahead, start taking out, I believe there are 14 mils right here and 14s right there. So there you go, they're off. Now we're gonna go to the next side. So I'll take these off, put them somewhere where we won't lose them. So now, gently, it should come out. No issue. There you go, she's out. Put it to the side. And here we go, our PLM one. So we're gonna go ahead and start lining it up. So far, so good, but more into an issue. I may have to move these wires. So into an issue, my amplifier power cable's in the way, so I'm gonna have to move it to the side. That way I can kind of adjust the part of the strut bar that connects to the firewall. So now with it, first time doing this, I'm assuming I had to angle it a little bit down so it clears right here. Starting lining up the holes. Go ahead and take out these grommets right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Go ahead and take out these two grommets right here. I think they're getting in the way. So it's lining up over there, over here we may have a slight issue, so I might try just lifting up the jack. All right, fellas, so I did jack up the car, and I did kind of slowly but surely, didn't hammer it, just used my hand, tapped it a little bit. You don't want to damage the threads. And now we have it nice and lined up. So what I'm gonna go ahead now is drop the jack and put everything together, make sure it lines up, and then start bolting it in. So I did snag these bolts from the junkyard the other day, and they're 10 mils. These are short, these are longs, so I'm going to see which ones work. So you can see these bolts should line up in there. Sorry, it's a bad angle. So we're going to try, oh lord, it's too much. It's supposed to line up there and there. So we're going to go ahead and mess with those. Did have to adjust a couple things. Took a while to get those two bolts lined up. Right now they're nice and soft, and I did have to kind of drill out that one a little bit. So now we have it in place. We're gonna go ahead and start tying it down. I did drop that millimeter. I did drop that 14, but it's underneath the car, so we'll grab it. So we're gonna go ahead, start tightening up this side, retrieve the bolt, and then do that side. we found our 14. We're gonna go ahead and start tying it down. So they're nice and tight over here. Now we're gonna go ahead and start tightening them that side. So we have the 14s, the 10s on the firewall, and the 14s on the other side of the strut tower, nice and secured. I have to say this piece feels really sturdy in comparison to my eBay one. I have to say, first time installing one of this type, I did learn some lessons, kind of some tricks. It wasn't that hard, but just patience, guys. Luckily I did score those 10mm bolts from the junkyard. They don't come supplied, so yeah, so just make sure you snag some from the junkyard. So far pretty excited about this product. Feels good and sturdy, not bad for the price. I'm not trying to go bougie. I just hope we'll see how the handling feels, and we'll go from there. Just a quick interpretation of an install for me. I never done one before, like I said, of this kind. So far I'm happy with the outcome. It's a good product, and we'll see how it goes.
Behaviors, Kumit, Nana, or not just allow
yeah, small
so
portion.
yeah, in your from to mix